Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor Sheetmetal and learn the Autodesk Inventor Sheetmetal basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheetmetal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we are going to select the XY plane, take the line command, and here we are going to start from the center point. Make one line like this, one straight, okay, one like this and one straight. Now escape. Now go to dimension. Here we will define this as 56 by 2. Okay. And here the straight line will be 78 mm. And here the next, this top end and this base, this will be a distance of 135 mm. Okay. Now here select this line and select the center point. This gap here will be of 18 mm and escape. Okay. Now I want the same profile this side as well. Go to line, select the center point, make a straight line, escape, select this line now and make it a construction geometry. So this will be the center line. Now go to mirror, select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now finish sketch and here take the counter flange. So this will make a flange profile. Go to front view. This profile will be made outside. Okay. Outside the sketch. Go to home. Now here we will click on symmetric and we'll give a dimension of 48 mm. Now press OK. So this will be the profile. Now here go to sheet metal defaults. The by default thickness of sheet will be 0.5 mm. We'll uncheck this and here define it to 2 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here go to part 4. Go to the right view. Here you can see this is having a cutout profile. Go to home. Go to part 3. Now when I click here on right view, you can see this is having a flat face. So I'll click on this face, go to create sketch. Okay. And here we'll take the arc command. Take the arc command and we'll start from here and make one arc. Okay. So this arc will be tangent to this face. Go to line command, select this point and click here. Now here select here and click on this end point. Now from this end point click till the center point and from the center till this end and till this arc end. Okay. Now escape. So this will make a close profile of this. So this will be the cutting profile here. Go to dimension. Define this radius as 15 mm. Okay. Define the angle here as 15 degree. Okay. Escape and select this, delete. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint, select here and select here. Now it is taking the tangent constraint. Okay. Now go to dimension. Define this radius here as 15 mm. Okay. Now you can see this is fully constrained sketch. Okay. Now here finish sketch. Take here cut. Select this profile and select this profile. Go to home and here we will take all. So this will cut through. Okay. And press OK. So this will generate this profile. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point and make dia 15 mm. Finish sketch, take cut, go to home and here we will take again all and press OK. So this will be a through profile. Now select this bottom face, go to create sketch. Take circle command, select the center point, make circle of diameter 30, finish sketch, take cut command once again. It will cut up to thickness of 2 mm and press OK. Okay. Now from here we'll define the appearance. So we'll take here the blue color. Okay. Now if I want a flat pattern of this, so click on create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this sheet. Now go to folded part. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do it like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.